What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog where today we're continuing the wrapping process. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be wrapping the driver's side door. Over the week I've been wrapping pretty much the passenger side door and the side pillar sides. It's pretty much done. I think I got a few more panels to go. I got the driver's side door to go, the roof, and the bumper pads. So it's a few things more to go. I didn't want to keep vlogging those because it's repetitive. If you see one door, you can see the other one. So I'll show you guys how to do the driver's side door, and then from there I think it's pretty much it. We have the, like I said, we have the roof and the bumper pads in the front, so I'll show you guys really quick that in the next videos. But yeah, let's get started with the driver door. Alright, so we have two panels left on this truck, two major panels. So we got the door and we do have the roof. Last two panels here to finish, and then we're gonna need little details after this, like the gas tank. I have not done this because I'm gonna be doing a logo here and embossing it over, and then also I'm gonna be doing bed liner all throughout here, and I have a bunch of junk here, but I'm gonna be bed lining all of this. So probably gonna be one of the last things I have to do. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to properly prep and get your whole door ready to wrap. I'm gonna do just one video on how to do this whole door because I think this is probably one of the hardest panels to do because there's so much intricate areas here. It's not hard at all. It's pretty easy, but it is one of the hardest, I think. Not necessarily to wrap, but to remove everything because there's a bunch of stuff all over here. So I'm gonna start off with, we can remove this molding. This one's easy. Just pull up on it, bam, comes off. We're gonna have to remove the whole door panel here. everything is completely done and trimmed. These are my cuts here. I don't cut directly on the paint, I just score the line and then the rest comes off. So we got it. So we got it all against this molding, or this weld line here. All the way down, down, and here. Remember, we're gonna put our molding back in here, so we still want to make sure it's nice and clean. So I did post heat everything. So I use this gun here, this thermal gun. Like right now it's 75, 76, but I use my heat gun to heat it up all the way to 180. That's the temperature you have to get to post heat everything. But this is how everything came out, nice and clean, no glue lines. All this work deep in there, look at that. Bam. So this came out, bam, badass right here. These are all our lines right here. You can't see any of the color. We even went as far as to go all the way deep in here, when in reality the mirror covers all of this. So we really didn't have to wrap this, but we just go the extra mile here. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap our door handle inside. I'm going to reinstall the door handle, the mirror, and all the moldings. So that's about it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you guys stay tuned for other videos. Next we're doing our roof, so don't miss that video. And after that, I think all we have is the bumpers to wrap, and we should be completely finished with the truck. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned till next time.